don't even really know where to start at to show you just the overall amount of inflatables this house has. Do you think your house has a lot of inflatables?
Not as many as this house does.
We are in Lawrenceville, Georgia, with a house that behind us, or actually all around us, has 200 inflatables.
I think there's more than that.
You really think so?
Yeah, there are everywhere. Wow, this is really cool.
So let's get ready to go on this adventure that rocks. Let's take a walk through here. Look at these penguins. This is so cool to bring you this up close look at this display. I mean, wow. Look at this. I didn't even notice this. There's a snowman sleeping in the igloo. Sandy's got to see this. They got 3 inflatable Little Debbie cakes. They got Santa. They got a dog that says, Santa, pause, please stop here. I mean, yeah, just the amount. Oh, I didn't even notice this chicken farm back here. I gotta come walking through here. Look at this, Santa on a tractor. I love how there's all like themes. Because look at the cows. Look at the chickens on the cow. I've never seen an inflatable like this before. Check out the snowman. Snow pain, snow gain. Yeah, Frosty's been working out. I say this must be the dog pound right here.
Check out the Good Tidings ice bar.
I wonder what drink Santa is pouring that penguin right there.
I thought it would be beer.
You think the penguins like beer, Sandy?
Yeah, I do.
Your gnome section. Down there you see Santa in his PJs. It looks like there's a cowboy Frosty down there. Look at the size of that penguin. It's bigger than their house. Oh, with the cowboy snowman, we didn't even notice the steer with the candy cane antlers. I think that's what it is. Look close and you'll see the mouse is eating his cookie. Better watch out for that dinosaur. He looks hungry. I love this one of the reindeer with Santa and Mrs. Claus. And look over here, you see the cake is spinning. That Mrs. Claus, I'm sure, made. And I like how that dog is really eyeing that cake. I'd watch out, Mrs. Claus. This is fun. The Grinches even have their own section. Look how many Grinches there are. I have told Sandy that I would love to do this to my yard. Fill it with Christmas minions. Nice to see Buddy the Elf around, overseeing things. There's a Disney section, a Star Wars section, because I do see the Mandalorian back there. Look at the Toy Story section. This place is amazing. Love seeing all the Snoopies and Charlie Brown represented. My absolute favorite is this right here. In fact, I gotta take a picture. I absolutely love this one. A whole gingerbread section. Now we all know Santa needs to relax and take some time off. And here is that section of Santa on vacation. Just relax until he gears up for that big day, that big night out. I mean, he has all kinds. Big inflatables, fuzzy inflatables. These two, if you notice on their sweaters, it says brain freeze. One thing we've been really impressed with as we're walking around, you are not stepping on any wires. There is that much detail and thought that has went into this massive display as we're wandering around. Absolutely amazing. I don't think I've ever seen a Mandalorian on a bantha before. What did you guys think?
This is amazing.
It's so awesome.
Yeah.
Somebody's really put a lot of work into this too.
Yeah, it's wow. And we spotted there's a Christmas village back there. I think it's closed tonight for walkthroughs, did you say?
Yes, there are times. If you go to their Facebook page, and if I remember, I'm going to put that link in the description down below, along with the address, because like we said, this is in Lawrenceville, Georgia. But there seems to be times that you can actually do a walkthrough of the inflatables.
Nice.
Very
And
cool.
there's a lot. There's a lot you can't see from the street.
Yeah.
Right.
So that walkthrough would be so
Yeah,
cool.
Sandy.
What was your favorite inflatable?
That big dinosaur over there. That
Santa riding his back.
yes.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
so fun. I like the little bar. I think
Nice
Santa,
bar.
Santa
Right.
being a bartender is
Yeah.
so funny
Yeah.
to me.
Yeah, it was a unique one. We've never seen that before. I've never seen it before.
Yeah.
Me either.
There's so many original, unusual.
Inflatables that we've never seen. I've never seen a chocolate Little Debbie ice cream.
I see
Cake.
Santa Claus.
What do you mean you see Santa Claus? He's all over. Oh.
Oh, hey.
Oh, look.
How's it going?
Sandy's right. We did want to mention this is the last year all these inflatables are going to be at this location. As soon as we find out the new one,
Yes.
I'll
We're
definitely
going.
put it. We're going, but I'll also include it in the description when we get it.
Yeah, as soon as
So
we
that
get
way
it.
you guys can check it out for next year in 2026. But what an amazing display.
Yeah, and what a cool owner.
Yes.
Wow, very cool.
If you haven't hit that like and subscribe yet,
What are you waiting for?
because you never know where we're going to end up next, but you can guarantee if it's filled with the Christmas
Minions!
spirit
Oh
and
my
minions, we're going to make it an adventure that rocks. Thank you so much for allowing us to come in and get a close-up look at all these inflatables.
It's great meeting you.
Merry Christmas.